This true story was approved by a pedestrian.
All my life is walking. Someday, when I was walking, I see a radioactive seagull come from Japan trying to bite a guy. And he did it. Since that day, the little guy acted like a seagull. When he got bite, I go to his rescue, but he tried to eat me. So I walk away to my house.
And also a scientist.
Here we can see the anatomy of a seagull, and here the anatomy of seagull man. As you can see here, the seagull teleports food, his bowel, to a next bowel. Not like our subject here, which has only one bowel and does not involve food teleportation.
A story about the truth about the seagull man. That man who thinks he's a seagull but he's just a random blonde guy. He thinks these guys could be their friends, but they're not, cause they're seagulls and he's a man. His weird way to satisfy his needs.
I'm thirsty.
His family.
This is my family. Hey, it's my food. The left one is my mother. The right one is my father. And the two at the right are my brother and my sisters.
His fears.
Us seagulls are scared by everything, like a soccer ball. Ah! Stop it!
In theaters now. We don't know much about seagulls. The seagull man doesn't exist. You got AIDS. Michael Jackson is alive.